Test, test, test. Okay. Audio sounds good. There you go. All right. Nobody's here, so I don't know. Just gonna wait here for a bit. Hello there, General. Welcome to the stream. Okay, at least one person is here. All right. Guess we can start it now, because I don't think there will be more coming at least anytime soon. So yeah, let's just get it started. All right, there you go. So yeah, hello there. Welcome back to, well, a bonus stream. It's not like the usual stream because I usually stream on Thursday and Saturday. But at least this week I was unable to do so because, well, I was out of town to visit my grandparents. So yeah, I was unable to stream, but I said on the post on YouTube that maybe I could do a stream on Sunday, but it depends on how I am on Sunday. And luckily today I feel good, just good. So yeah, I can do a stream today, which I'm currently doing. Probably just gonna work on some project a bit and then maybe play the game. It's not really like a very, what is it? Not detailed. What's the word for it? I don't know. Just having fun here. Just do stream and that's it. Just work on something. Anyway, let's go to the second workspace. There's actually something I want to tell, a story. Well, not really like a big story, but something that happened while I was out of town. But I think I could just tell it later when there are more people here. In the meantime, let's just work on the project. First thing I'm gonna work on is the character modeling and rigging project for Augie, and then maybe I'll work on the Minecraft story mode rig because I still have that to work on as well. All right. There we go. Open Blender. There we go. All right, let's get started. I need to prep this because right now it's still using the its own material, not material, its own textures, and I need to make it match with the rest of the rig. So yeah. Oh wait, for this I need to open game, and also I need to open my project folder here. Open this file. Oh yeah, because I will be working on the snot textures. I need to also open this snot texture here. It should be on my rig file. Yeah, this one. Okay, open game. There we go. And then let's add a new layer group here. Let's call it snout, etc. Wait, should be whatever. Let's just do this. And then the textures, open it here. There we go. Well, it's not just the textures, there's also the I mean, let's get that not just the snout, there's also the ear and the, I think this one is for the tuft, also the tail here, and I put it on the corner just so it's easy for me to expand, but I think I'm just gonna practice on this side here. In fact, actually, let's just do it right now. Move it here. There we go. And then the tail as well. There we go. And actually not sure about the ear, so I'm just gonna keep it as is right now because I still haven't worked on the ear model. Image size, there we go. Now let's paste it here. Just a graph, move it here. Let's just call it that here. Boop. And let's hide this. Oh wait. Wait. What is this? Oh, that's the tie. Okay, hide that. And there we go. We have the textures here. New layer. Because this one is just a reference. Let's say main. There we go. And let's just export this into the UDIM format. 6 tile. Export that. Export. Let's save this. And go back to Blender here. Now, if I go back to the algae UDIM textures, then reload, it should, there we go, available there. All right, now I can swap this material here, and now it's using the its own material here for this snout. Now I can just use the main textures. Oops. There we go. And then just edit the UV here. Just move it across to the other side here. There you go. Now it's not here using the same material and the same textures. Well, it's a separate textures, but because of the UDIM, it became like one single textures, but with its own like place here, which is something I really like with UDIM. Is that it allows me to use a single material instead of like multiple material for different textures. Here I could just use the same material with different textures. Now the what is it, the word, the reason for like UDIM is actually so you could use different resolution textures, but for me I just use it so I could separate each texture into its own like textures instead of different materials. Anyway, let's just continue with this. There we go. Let me check here. All right. better swap this material so it's use only one because there's a duplicate because of the head here, head mesh. It's have its own material as well. So better use the previous one. There we go. Now this should be 0, same with this one. Right. Okay, what else should I prep here? Because this is mostly prep stuff. I don't think I'm gonna do like modeling right now. But yeah. Alright, next I will need to remove the mouth here. Because the rig will use snout rig. Because it's an intro, it's a furry. So I will need to remove this. I already removed the rig from the facial rig here. Oh, not yet. I think it's I think I just removed the components there. I haven't removed the rig. I'll do that next. But for now, let's merge by distance. That will merge all of the vertices here. Oh, I cannot move it because it's locked. But yeah, as you can see, it's now merged. And that means I don't need this, and this. And also this. Yep. So I can delete. Alright, I need to unlock this first. I forgot, it's unlike a vertex group where I could just delete the vertex group while it's locked with shape keys. You need to unlock them first. Yeah, weird inconsistency with render features there. But oh well. Right, that's set. Now I just need to clean up the all this here. Remove the edges that we don't need, like so, and then readjust the topology. I don't need to do this, but I like to do this to make sure that the mesh is clean. Won't cause any issue. Alright, dissolve this, and then join it with here and dissolve this edge, and there we go. Much cleaner. Next will be the facial rig here. Gonna enable all of this. Delete the driver for the tongue because I don't need that anymore. The tongue will be with the snout rig. Let's move this. Delete that. And then let's select this. And then all of the mouth part here. Let's see if I can select this, selecting the other bones. Alright. Nice. I'll keep the jaw. Just in case I need to adjust it. Alright, that should be it here. Now I just need to clean up the facial panel here. Alright, the bone shape, it should be here. Oh, I need to snap the cursor there, and also I need to unlock the frame here because the facial panel here actually consists of two bones. We have the main bone here and then the other one acting as the frame here. I need to unlock that if I want to select that. So like this and then find that. There you go. I should do the same with this one as well. There you go. Now I can select the frame here. Same with this one. Hey there, Prismarine. Welcome to the stream. Yeah, welcome to a bonus stream. I was unable to do a stream on Thursday and Saturday because I was out of town to visit my grandfather. But now I'm back and there's not really much to do today, so I decided to do a stream. Just work on a project a bit, and then maybe I'll play a game. But yeah, just chill stream. Lanner should be back soon. I think we can play soon. Nice. Oh yeah, speaking of Lanner, I actually met him in person yesterday. Can you believe it? So yeah. So as you know, Lanner was working in, well, interning in Aceh, Sumatra, and he plans to go back like on June. Damn, I forgot. I think it's 3rd or 6th. I forgot. But yeah, but in order to go to his home place, he needs to fly to Jakarta to get to the international airport there. And since he's in Jakarta, he came up to me on Discord. He's like, "Hey, I will be in Jakarta. Are you like available there? Can we like meet?" And it's like, oh, good thing is that I was also planning to go to the Jakarta. So yeah, we look for a place to meet. I originally want to take him to a mall that I visited before, the Aeon Mall in Jakarta. And the reason is that, well, one, I've been there before, so I'm quite familiar with the place. And also, there's like a section in the mall where it's like full of sushi. And it's like, it's quite authentic, like in real Japanese sushi. So yeah, it's really delicious. But unfortunately, he cannot go there, so we look for a different place. Is he a seal in real life? Nah, he's Liner is actually Liner is actually an Indonesian, just like me. It's just that he lives abroad with his family. So yeah. Oh, that's sad. But don't worry, we still managed to find different place to meet. It's a mall as well, but like in the middle of Jakarta. So yeah. And there's also not really much stuff there in the mall. So we ended up just going to Solaria and just order food and chat there. If you don't know Solaria, let me open it here. It's like a small, not a small restaurant, but it's like quite well-known restaurant. There you go. It's this one. The main thing that this place is known for is the fried rice and like or stuff, but mostly for the fried rice. Really delicious. So yeah, we just sit there, order some food, and just chat. So yeah, that was really fun. And also, like the first time me meeting with anyone in my like Discord social group. Because previously I don't have any friends to like meet together and like eat and chat together. So yeah, it was fun. Looks delicious. Yeah. Me and him actually ordered quite a lot of food, and by the time we finished it, I felt really full. And then after this, we just walk around the mall and order stuff like ice cream and something like that. And yeah, one day we will all meet. Yeah, I hope we all can meet someday. I was asking my uncle if I could meet him someday, and he said that yeah, maybe if I visit Turkey someday. So I don't know, maybe one day when I'm like in Turkey, I could visit my uncle. But yeah, that's interesting things that happened yesterday. All right, let's continue here. Oh, Turkey is really close to me. Yeah, never been to Turkey, obviously, because it's far away. But I've been interested ever since like my grandfather came home after the pilgrimage, after the Haji on the Mecca. He visited Turkey and he showed me some pictures there. Even sent me like a money there from Turkey. It's a coin. I don't remember where I put it. Hopefully, I still have it. But yeah, I really want to visit there someday. I'm in Bulgaria now. Ooh, nice. But yeah, I really want to visit more place in the future. Any place outside Indonesia. All right, let's continue with this. I need to remove the facial part of the frame here. So I just select this, delete, and then set the origin to here. All right. Right. Not there. There we go. My dream is to move and live in Japan. Ooh, same with me, brother. If it's not Japan, I want somewhere in Europe, probably Netherlands. But yeah, Japan is like the dream country. Also, I've been in Japan before, and it was great. I'm learning Japanese and money right now. Learning money or saving money. But yeah, I really want to work in Japan there. I really miss riding trains in Japan because it's really easy there. Especially with the in Japan, you can get like the usual tickets on like a ticket machine, but you can also use like an electronic like e-money card. The one I have is called Suica, but there's also other types of card called Pasmo. And yeah, you just tap it on the like the ticket gate and you just go. And filling it is also quite easy. You just put it on the machine, put the amount you want, put the money, and it will charge the card. So yeah. And also riding train is not that hard. The hard part is actually figuring out where to go and using which line. I mean, I've been lost in station so many times, like in the early days when I was in Japan, because I have no idea how station work. Like because there's so many station and so many lines, like it's difficult to figure out which where to go or where the train you want to go is actually placed at. But once you get used to it, it became pretty easy. And with the IC card, you could just go anywhere you want. And not just IC card actually. Another thing that is also quite popular is just people using their phone, like using NFC to like just tap the ticket gate and just beep, and then you just pass. Unfortunately, my phone doesn't have that feature, so I cannot use that. So I just use the IC card. Yeah, I really like people in Japan, but I know Resident Evil that won't stop me. If Yakuza will kill me, I won't stop loving Japan. Bro, 2 weeks in Japan from Bulgaria is 3,000. Ooh, yeah. Things in Japan is also quite expensive from what I remember. Also remember, when I go to Japan, it was using my father's, what's the word for it? Damn, I forgot the word. What is it? It's the thing that you do in like college. Scholarship, there you go. Yeah, using scholarship money. So the story is that my father got a scholarship to like continue his study in Japan, and instead of just going there alone, like so many people, he brings the whole family there. So for like 2-3 years, we live there in Japan. But because we use scholarship money, we need to save up as much you can there. Like I remember during summer and winter, we're not allowed to use the AC or the heater because we need to save all of the money. That includes electricity. So yeah, during winter when it's like freezingly cold, I was unable to use the heater unless we're going to sleep because that's the only time we're allowed to use the heater. The same with the AC when it's like summer and like really hot, you cannot use the AC unless it's like really hot, like when you go to sleep. So yeah, what's the city where is US, like where you was in Japan? I live in Fuchu while I was in Japan, and while my sisters go to like Japanese schools, I actually go to Indonesian school there in Japan because I was a pussy. And just not don't have the courage to like interact with Japanese people. So I just mingle out with same Indonesian people. So yeah, and the trip is actually quite far there from my place in Fuchu to the school is on Meguro. So the trip took like I think like an hour or an hour and a half on trains. So yeah, it was quite fun. Like in the morning, there's usually like a bunch of people like riding a train. So you might have seen this on like the news or on the internet where like Tokyo train rush hour. Let's see. Oh wait, I need to. Oh no, you know my secondary card. No, whatever. It's just what I used to watch video. Okay, let's see. Tokyo. Where is it? Train rush hour. There I go. There I go. So in the morning, whenever I go to school, I have to deal with this every day. ご乗車ありがとうございます。Oh man, I really miss this. Yeah, and there's also the station people, like the guards who like push people so they can enter the train. Yeah. And also there are multiple types of train there depending on the line you're on. And I really like going on like the express or like special express because that one, it only stops on a few stations, so it's much quicker, but there's only a few of them there. So if I miss it, I need to use like the regular train. Well, not the regular train, just the regular express, which have more stops. But yeah, if you go on like the special express, you would definitely need to deal with this because there are more people waiting for that train. So yeah, and I think I changed like three times like for the train. Like first line I'm using the Keio line, and then I go to the I think it's called Yamanote. I forgot. The one is like circling Tokyo. Yamanote line. Yeah, it's this one, the one with the green train. Yeah. So I use the Keio line and then switch to Yamanote, and here I stop at where is it? Meguro. There I go. Then from Meguro, I just walk. I think it's like 15 minutes from the station to the school. So yeah, it's tiring, but I really like it. Though it just get a bit boring after you're doing so many times, but it always interests me because I was going across Tokyo every day. So yeah, it was an interesting experience. I really wanted to winter in Sapporo. Oh, yeah. I think not long ago, my dad also go back to Japan to like, what is it, Hokkaido? And yeah, I really want to go there. I really want to see the snow. But yeah. Bro, that's nice. Wait, was it language school or just basic school? It's like the school I have is this one. Street Tokyo. There it goes. Sekolah Indonesia Tokyo. There you go. This is the school I went to while I was in Tokyo. It's more like I don't know what it is, but it's like a school for, I think mostly for people who work on the embassy, but every other nation also could visit, I think. I don't know. But yeah, here's like what the class looks like. It do look like it look almost like a regular Japanese class. But yeah. Man, I really miss this. Oh, I really miss this. I really want to go back to Japan. Oh. But yeah, it's like the main school here, and then here there's like the mosque. Yeah. Oh, I don't recognize this. But yeah. Bro, I'm too big for trains in Japan, I think. But I want to be your dad. I want to be you. Well, someday maybe you can go to Japan as well. I mean, I've only been there for like 2 or 3 years, so it's not that long. And I really want to go back here. Don't know if I could. I mean, right now I'm struggling with college. Don't know if you could get like a scholarship to go to Japan, but I could just dream it. But yeah. Anyway, I think all of us should meet in Japan someday. Yeah, me, my uncle, Lanner, and the rest should met in Japan. Yeah, I really miss going on trains, man. I really want to experience this again. And yeah, also another interesting story with trains. It's quite common for people to like sleep in a train. I think they're like just tired from work. And actually, I done that myself as well. And one day, I was sleeping on the train. I didn't realize that I was like passing the stop where I need to drop. So I end up like passing a bunch of like stations. And then when I woke up, I was like at the end of the line. It's like, holy shit, I'm in the middle of nowhere. So I like scramble out of the train and then look for a way back. Luckily, in Japan, like the station, the sign there also have English, so it's easy for me to like recognize where I need to go. But yeah, I was panicking when I woke up. It's like, holy shit, I overslept, and I'm like, a place I don't recognize. So yeah, that's an interesting experience. I also have been stopped by policemen, mainly because my own fault, because I was riding a bicycle every day to go from my home to the station. And one day it was raining, and I don't bring my raincoat, so I end up using my umbrella to like hold it while I was riding train. But I know that you cannot do that because, well, it's dangerous to do that. But I do it anyway because I don't want to get wet. But a policeman noticed me and stopped me. But my like Japanese is so bad at the time, so I don't really know what to speak. And it's like, oh yeah, gomenasai, gomenasai. And like the policeman is also a bit confused. Like he tried to use like his phone or something for like translator, but it doesn't work for some reason. So in the end, he just let me go. So yeah, I was like, okay, I don't want to get stopped by policemen again, so just embrace the rain. Just let me get wet. And in the end, I came home soaked because, well, I don't use anything to cover myself. So yeah, but that's an interesting experience there. Anyway, enough of that. Let's continue working here. The story of entertainer. I will become a mirror and steal of you and move to Japan. Everyone will have fun with me. Oh, sorry, policeman. I'm just a little rigger. Don't take plunder from me. Yeah. I think at that time I was still like learning about Blender. I'm not really like a rigger just yet. I'm still using other people's rig. Alright. Got that. Now I just need to move this down. There we go. Let's see. Perfect. Oh, wait, I forgot to adjust the side here. There we go. Oh. All right. Okay, that's set. Let's adjust this. Uh, uh, uh. Okay. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. There you go. I like everything to be symmetrical. There we go. Then I move this up here. 1, 2, 3. There we go. Let's move this back down. Apply pose as rest pose. And there you go. Oh, wait, I forgot to adjust the position here. Y. Oh, not Y. I think this one should be Z. There you go. I forgot that in Blender, the armature and the mesh, not mesh, object axis are different. With the bone, the top part is always Y, but with object, the top part is actually Z. I don't know why Blender does that. Like Z is the up one instead of Y. I think that I could change it in the preference here, but I don't know where. I should check this on the internet, but kind of used to it, but sometimes forgot. All right, I think this is set here. Yeah, I think this is set. Let's save this. Next, I want to work on the texture. Where's game? There we go. And also, let's open the reference image for the character. Okay, so here's the character here. There are these bits here. I think for this one, I'm gonna use like what is it? Like a mesh, like the same technique I use for the what's the word for it? The eyelashes. So like a mesh tied to the rig that the forms, so this part could like move with the eye, and this part here in this one here, the main textures extended here, but like on the reference here, this one is sharp. So okay, there we go. So I think I'm gonna need to remove this part, and also I think I also need to adjust this side here, because on the reference here, well, there is like the darker green here, like the lime green here. This one is mostly like this. I don't know what the name is, but more brighter than this. So yeah, I need to also edit this. So so like this part is became the same color as this. I don't know about this one, but maybe I could change this as well. Anyway, let's do. Oops. Oh, it's because I closed down game. All right, let's texture. First is this one. Make sure it's 100%. Oops, I should just remove this one. And then for this, gonna make this color. All right. Okay, let me check here. Huh. This one is actually this color. There are more references here, so let's check. Okay, it's consistent here. But there's a bit of this. All right, so I think the way to do this is like so. Can remove this, or maybe I could just extend it like so. All right, there you go. Let's export this. The place. All right, now we need to edit the texture here. Oh wait, I already imported here. Let's just open the texture here so I could just pick the color from there. Okay, wait, have I? Okay, I have. So let's hide this and open the Andros secondary. Okay. There, and then the other color there. All right, let me check the mesh. All right, the snout here all should be this color here. For the tuft, there will be 3 color. We got this, and then this one, this 2 pixel is this one. Then the last one here should be this one. Okay. There we go. Then for the tuft here, that, and then oh wait, I already picked that, so that, and then the purple color here. There we go. And just extend this. Oops, that's the wrong color. All right, there you go. I'll just delete this. Oh, nope. Delete that. Merge down. There we go. All right. Let me check this. Let's just make this one a single color. Right. Oh wait, no. This one should be just this color here. There we go. Export this. Replace. Okay, then I will need to change this as well. Oh, wait. Okay, on this one it does that. Okay, I was wrong there. This part should be the one that is light colored. Because here, this part here is like this green color. This little bit here is this color. Same with this. So yeah. Export this. Yeah, that's the correct name. Save that. All right. Now image reload. There we go. Oh yeah, I need to need to change this as well. There we go. Hide this. Open this back. Oh, right. I was on the wrong layer. go. Should be this. There you go. All right, export as. This one should be the one. Save that. Then image, reload. There you go. Also, you might be wondering about this here. I'm using UDIM here for textures. That way I can use multiple textures in one material instead of like different material for each texture. So yeah, that's nice. All right. Let me check. Also, it's better if I open the reference here. So I could easily check. Image editor, open main refs. There we go. And let's make this fake user. That way it won't get deleted when I clean up the file. Let's change the color here. And also following this, I will make this smaller here. All right. What else should I do here? Okay, let's do some reorganizing here. Mainly the material. Let's put a name here. With the eyelashes. I need to rename this because I keep calling them eye whites because always white. But I think a better name is Clara. And also different characters have different color sometimes. So yeah, it's much more like universal. I should put this on the task list here for the next Enric update. Rename iWatch Imperial to Clara. So, hi Document, welcome to the stream. Commission ini bayar berapakah? You mean for Augie here? Well, for this one, the commissioner paid me $90 for this, for the whole character here. So $90 for the character model and rigging. Okay, iris, mouth inside. Just call this main because this will be the main material. Teeth, then tongue. And there we go. The rest will just get deleted once I close the file. 19 or 90 tadi? Whack. 90. 90 here. $90. That's for the modeling and the rigging of the character. Right now I'm just working on the modeling first. Okay, I think that's it that I can do right now. There's a lot of stuff I can work on, like the other arm here. As you can see, the character have like this robotic arm, and also of course the head. I will need to model the head, but for those I really need like some alone time so I could like better focus my creativity. So I'm gonna work on those later, but at least the rig is prepped. steps so I could continue to on the next step. Right, let's save this. In the meantime, let's work on another project I have. And then maybe I could play game a bit. Currently playing Control because it's quite fun. All right, where is it? The Minecraft story mode character. Open up. All right, there we go. So I'm currently working on the Petra and Romeo character. The one I worked previously, the default and the Jesse character, actually finished, as you can see here. This is the default character rig, where you could like modify to any character you want. And then there's the Jesse rig here. So I think for this one, I want to like modify it a bit. So you could change to different skin in one rig, which is the same thing I do with Petra here. So there's this setting here called appearance, and there are a bunch of settings here. And if I change to different setting here, like armor here, it will change not just the skin texture, but also the model here, because each has its own model. Like here with the armor, you have this like big shoulder pad thing. And then armor no helmet, just removes the helmet. You got season 2. I don't know what to call it because, but this is like the character, what the character look like in season 2. And then there's gas, like the prisoner outfit, gas armor, champion. Oh yeah, I think I need to remodel this because it's not really match up with the actual model on story mode. But yeah, got champion here, champion armor, champion armor, no left gauntlet, and fireworks guild. Now the main problem with this setup is that you can only see the texture change in material view, but if you like in solid view, you cannot see that because for some reason the shader doesn't completely work on solid view, I guess, to save performance. So it only shows the active texture, that is if you're using the texture view here for the object color. So right now it's only showing the selected texture, which is this one here. You can see here, if I select different texture, it will show that one. So yeah, also this is the whole setup here for the for the texture swap here. So it's just a mix node for the color and alpha. There's like this value node for the driver. Just put it like this so it's easier to like organize instead of just putting it on the mix. Not organize, to view, because it's, you can just see it like so. So yeah, just a chain of this, as you can see. So yeah. Hey there, Chan Studio. Welcome to the stream. Hello, Nerdener. Hello there. How are you? I hope you're doing well. Well, I hope everyone here is doing well. All right. We got that set here. So I guess I just need to reorganize all of this because right now it's not properly set up here. Also, I need to change this to FK because I think FK is much better for animating the arm here. Okay, that works. This one's properly set. Same with this one, so I just need to parent this here. There we go. Let's change to different model. I mean appearance. Okay, this one's need to be the right side. This one's correct. I also need to change to check the smooth band toggle. Nice. Okay, I just need to pan this here then. Keep transform. There we go. This one should be the same. So it could go here. All right. Guess. Okay. This one is correct. Check the smooth band. Nice. So I just need to parent it to rig. There we go. Guess armored should should be different. Oh wait. Might as well here. Let's edit this. Oh, damn it. I forgot. I removed the mesh. Ah. I need to redo that then. Just reload. There you go. I removed this one. Need to reuse this if I want to remodel that. Okay, which one is it? Armored. There you go. I don't think I need to remodel everything. I just need to remodel. Just need to remodel the shoulder cover here, shoulder pad thing. But I also need to change the textures. Hey there, Damitas. Come to the stream. Wait, I forgot what your being a slow. There you go. Forgot. That's your like Discord account, yeah? But yeah, currently working on the Petra rig here. Just finishing a few things before I send it. Vendor project, MCSM, skins. There's also a few other skins that use the same texture, so I need to edit those as well. Let's start with the guest. Open with game. Nice. And then the champion one also have the shoulder pad there, so for champion armored. So open this as well. And this. Go. And also I need to open the original texture on the like the Prairie Jama rig. So I need to open that as well. Prairie Jam, not Prairie Jama. Right. Petra and where is it? There you go. Fun it. Open with game. Go. Also, one thing about the character is that I realized some of the textures doesn't match up with the main textures, like the shoulder pad cover whatever here. This one is 5x5. Meanwhile, the main texture is 4x4. So yeah, it wouldn't fit well there. So I need to do like some modifications so it match up with the. So it's the same resolution, you could say, but it wouldn't be like one-to-one match with the story mode. But I think that's fine here. Look, Signagolai, thanks. When Romeo is done, I'm gonna animate and the iron blocks. Yeah, I really want to see that animation. And also, I really want to make a comic of that as well. Maybe after I finish all my project. Alright, let's continue with this. I'm gonna copy no. let's just extend this down here. Copy paste and then move this down like so. Merge down. Then here, copy paste. Merge down. All right. Then let's fill this like so. There. And then with this one, it's on the center like so, but because there's no space, I just gonna make it like so, like a diagonal. The same with this one. Or maybe not that. I think let's just make it like only one. Yeah, like so. All right, that's the updated model here. I mean, textures. All right. One more here. There we go. Now let's export this. Guest armor. Then champion armor. And champion armor, no left gauntlet. There we go. All right. Now let's reload the textures here. I will need to remake the model because you can see it got messed up a bit. Champion armor, image reload, and then one more armor, no gauntlet, reload. There we go. Okay, I can reuse this, but I will need to remove this part right here. But let's not remove it. Let's keep it as like a reference. So separate selection. All right. Oh, I also just realized the position is not the same as the armored one. So yeah, I need to do that as well. All right. Gets armored. Move it here. Remove these parts like so. All right. And then I think for this one I could just use solidify. Solidify. Even thickness, only rim. Okay, hold on. I need reference. Copy, paste. Oops. Okay, I need to enable armor here. Duplicate that. Delete the driver. And go back to guest armor. There you go. We have a reference here. And then here, 3 cursor. Need to scale this up like so. Then move this to the right. And to the left, I mean. Yeah, like so. Oh. No, not correct. There you go. Right. And then I need to scale this like so. Okay, it's difficult here with it being like this. Let's row 5. Nope. Hmm. I need to scale it down a bit. Also, why is this one a bit crooked? Because of this? Ah. Oh, right, I forgot. Because of this. I haven't changed it to FK. Okay, now it should be easier to make it match up. Point 0.8, 0.81, 2, 9, 8, 5, 2, 5. There we go. Close enough. Then for the side here, 1, 2, 3, 5. There we go. All right. Wait, what is this? Oh, right. That's the one I duplicate for reference. Wait a minute. This isn't scaled. Oh, wait. It is not scaled because that. But I do need to scale it down. Oh, sharp edge crease. Move this up. There you go. Okay, I don't need this anymore. Could just delete it. Let's increase this to 5. Okay. Oh, it's because I'm in edit mode. Apply. Here we go. Select sharp edges. Mark sharp. Crease. Select all of that. Move this up. Move this one here and this one here. Go. That sounds awesome. Also, after, can you show me how to make the hair with Solidify? Because it always breaks for me. Sure. Also, for the hair here, I'm actually importing them from the original model by the Perry Jam. So I didn't model this. But I can give you like a quick tutorial on how to model like hair using Solidify. But let me work on this first. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. One, 2, 3. Actually, I think it's better if there's 2 spike instead of 1. I don't know. No, I think this one's... nah, I want to make it symmetrical. So let's add some more spike here. All right. Oh, wait. Have I not shown Blender all this time? Damn. Same mistake I make over and over again. That I forgot to close the overlay. Oh, man. There you go. There you go. Then I just need to fix the this thing here. Scale 0.5. Scale 0.5. Scale 0.5. Scale 0.5. But yeah. Just do this with the rest of this spike here. And also I need to add the sharp edge here. Select, oops. Select sharp edge, mark sharp, edge crease. There you go. Tampil mo cuma ngeliat game doang. Yeah, I forgot to disable, to close the game overlay here on OBS. But yeah, there we go. The new model. So after looking at this, I think it is better if I like scale this to the side as well. Because then it will have like, yep, there you go. We'll have C fighting with that. Alrighty, let's scale this. Oh, oops. There you go. To the cursor. Alright, it should be 2.5 pixel. So scale X 2.5. 0.9. Close. 0.91. There you go. All right. Oh yeah, for the champion armor. Yeah, there's this one here. How do I do the champion regular? Okay. I definitely need another set here. This will be the A, B, C, D, E. The E version for the left side. E. There you go. This one will have it all scale 0.95. All right. Back to champion gets armored. I don't need this anymore, so I could just delete it. have this. Let's just make a duplicate. This one, I'm gonna join it here, and there we go. Have the D arm. Let's disable simplify. All right. Then we go to champion armor here. It should show this, but it should not. It should show the E version. So I need to remove the rest of this. There we go. So it will only show on, yes, armored, but not on champion or armor champion, I mean. And for this one, I need to remove this part here. That way this will only show up on champion armored and armored no left gauntlet. All right. Then I just need to merge this. Oh, right. There's this. I need to scale this down. Enable simplify again. Okay, it's a bit odd here, so let's just the cursor. Just do that. Oh, wait. There's this problem here. So I just do it manually here. There you go. All right, join this here. And there you go. We have the E arm for the left side. This should not like I'll deal with that later. But yeah, there we go. Let's give it a test. Regular armor, no head, no helmet, no head. Season 2, gas armored. All right, that's correct. Champion armored. Should be champion armored no left gauntlet. Okay, I need to rename that here. Scripting. Where is it? Champion, and then there. Armor no left gauntlet. Let's run this, and this should be updated. There you go. Armored no left gauntlet, and fireworks guild. All right, that's set. Now let's continue where we left off last time. So I just need to check this for like the correct lattice, and then parent the one that's unparented to the rig. All right, next is armor. I remember, yep, this one's not properly set. This one's properly set. Now I just need to parent object keep transform. This one's the same. Okay, gas. Okay, this one's proper. Keep offset. And let's disable this. Guest armor. One properly set. Just parent it. Champion. Champion armor. Champion armor, no less gauntlet. And fireworks guild. Nice. Everything is set here. So now I don't need this anymore. So just remove that. And let's properly name the mesh here. Just gonna do this manually because some of these are, a lot of these are hidden. So I cannot do a patch rename. So yeah, one at a time. There we go. Properly name. And no issue here on the modifier setup. Okay, better put name here. Huh. Seems like if the object is hidden, I cannot remove any of this. So I need to enable it first, and then remove this because this one is parented directly to the head bone, so I don't need the armature. Same with the fireworks guild hat here. Could just remove this and this, just to make it cleaner and like more. What's the word for it? Like the same with the rest. So I need to edit this. All right, that should be it here. Let me double check. Enable this, so we could see the smooth band. Right, no problem there. Armor, no problem there. This one is the same. So two, no problem there. Guess, no problem there. Guess armor, no problem. Champion, no problem. Champion armor, no problem. And fireworks guild, no problem. Alrighty. All right. Oh, also need to check this. Yeah. Nice. So, I'll just deal with it later. All right. It's 7:57 right now. How long have I been streaming here? Because I want to keep today's stream a bit short. Okay, I've been streaming for like 1 hour 25 minutes, so I still have like 30 minutes, 35 minutes for streaming. Oh yeah, I think I'm gonna like end it for like working on projects and let's play some games because I'm a bit bored. Hey there, Jar. Welcome to the stream. Am I late? Right now, not. Well, actually, you are a bit late, but I'm not yet gonna end the stream now because still have like 30 minutes left to stream. Just saw Alan Becker animation and versus Animation 13 release. Ooh, new Alan Becker animation. Haven't watched that one in a while. Let me check it on my other browser here. Oh yeah, it's like a day ago. Nice. I'll check that later. So, the weight pain disimpan di vertex group apa bone? Weight pain? Weight pain is capped on the vertex group. Bone doesn't have any vertex group, weight pain. So yeah. So the way skinning work or like binding or whatever you call it is that you have this like vertex group that store weight pane data, and then the name is actually tied to the bone name in the armature, and it's linked using the armature modifier. Let me give like an example here. So this is a cube. Let's add an armature. Make this bigger, like so, and let's do it on solid mode. So let's add a vertex group. By default, it's just gonna be called group here. Then I want this group to be assigned on all of the vertex. So we just assign it here, or I could do it manually in weight pane. But as you can see, this group is now assigned on all of this. If I want to remove, let's see. Okay, I forgot here. I think just setting it to 0 should do it or not. Maybe it's weight. Oh, it's because the size is so small. But yeah, I could remove weights here on the vertex group. But yeah, by default, this won't do anything unless you add armature modifier. Set this to the armature you want the object to like skin to, and then you set the vertex group name with the bone name. In this case, this one's just called bone, so set this to bone, and now this should follow. It seems like I haven't properly removed this part here. That's why it's following. There you go. But yeah, that's like the basic of like rigging and like skinning. I can tell in SSN they're trying to make it sharp, no, but I failed. Minecraft stuff, yeah, working on the usual stuff. Can I get the rig early? Pretty please, I want to play with it. Pretty please, lol. Yeah, sure. It's not finished yet, you know. But if you want, then yeah, sure. I'll send it after the stream. But for the Romeo one, this one is really still in work in progress. Like, let me open the project file here. Where is it? Romeo. There you go. I haven't properly set this one yet, so I cannot send this one. But for Petra, yeah, sure, I could send it after the stream. Why you keep changing stream schedules? No, this is a bonus stream. Haven't you read the title? So my usual stream on Thursday and Saturday, it doesn't. The title name is always like it's rigging time or working on something or whatever. But if it says bonus stream, then it's something that is I do like off schedule, like an additional stream. So yeah, this is just an extra unscheduled stream that I do. It's not like I'm changing the schedule, but I just want to do some more stream. Amaturnya nggak diapa-apain vertex groupnya. No, you just need to set the vertex group's name to the same bone name on the armature. You don't need to do anything with the armature bone, except for like editing the bone position or whatever. Lol, forgot about Romeo for a sec. Yeah. Bang, Benny Bone cuma visual aja? No, Benny Bone is not just visual. It's actually quite interesting. So, Benny Bone is, well, as the name said, it's a bone, but it can be bent. So let me do a quick demo here. Armature. It's not there. Also, to properly see bendy bone, I need to either set the armature viewport display as B bone, or you could set individual bone to B bone. But this one you need the latest version of Blender. All right. For a bendy bone, I need the body, head, and tailbone. So let's duplicate this, make it smaller, 0.2, and also make it fatter, like so. Let's make it 0.3. Then let's duplicate, snap it on top. So this will be the body bone. This will be the head bone. This will be the tail bone. And also the body bone should be parented to the head bone, like so. Now in the body bone here, every bone have body bone setting here. So let's set this segment here to, I don't know, 6. And then set the start handle. I like to use tangent because it has the most flexibility. And then you set the start handle here to the head. I'll just set it here. And the end handle to the tail. Now, by default, this won't do anything right now. That's because you need to also add a stretch to constraint. So select the tail, select the body, Control Shift C, stretch to. Then let's just set it like so. And there you go. Now the bendy bone should work. Now, the special properties of bendy bone is that if I do something like so, I need enough segment here. Assign it there. Let's set this to body. That's the bone name for the body on the bendy bone. Then add armature modifier. Set this to the armature. If I move this, as you can see, the mesh bends along, following the bendy bone shape. So yeah, that's why I like to use this a lot on my rig, because it's so flexible and easy to set up, unlike setting up a IK spline or something like that. And if you want to know more, there are a bunch of tutorials on YouTube. I thought you changed schedule again. Nah, if I do a schedule change, I will definitely post it everywhere. On my Discord, on my social media, on my YouTube. But this is just a bonus stream. And bonus stream can happen anytime. I was going to say this man is changing schedule guy, this guy. Apa bedanya post key dengan tanpa post key seperti rigmu? Post key? What is post key? I don't know what post key is. You mean like keyframing or something? I'm back. Nice. Oh yeah. Let me test. You asked about making hair, yeah? Okay, let me do a quick demo here. Oh wait, I forgot this one. I removed the hair. Let's just do it here. Oh, no. This one also remove the hair. Let's just do it here. But I need to change the texture to something else with hair. Partition. No, that's the meme folder. Skin. Let's just use this. It's a bit weird. Just use the extrude. Alright, there are two ways to making hair here. You could do a manual extrusion, select the parts you want and then E, or use Alt E, and then use the different setting here. Like the one I always use, extrude face along normals, so it extrudes following the face normal. But another technique you can do is to use solidify modifier. For this, I will need to first remove the other parts here. The faces I don't need. Like so. That way I'm left with just the hair part. And then I add the solidify modifier. like so. Adjust the setting. The offset here change where got extruded. So I'm gonna put it on 1 so it extrude outwards. Adjust the thickness, enable even thickness, and also on your rim so it doesn't have the inside faces. And like so. And once you got the the setup you want, you just apply this and becomes permanent. And you don't have to do it like the whole hair. You could also do it on like parts of the hair. Like let's say I just want to extrude this part here. You can do it manually like I show you before. You see extrude face along normals like so. But you could also just like select this, make a duplicate and separate this. And then here add solidify like so. And then you can just apply this and there you go. You have the hair extrusion. I want you to do something. I found this method for controlling rig like bendy bone, but it's very impractical. Shape key maksudnya. Ah, right. Okay, let me read again. Perbedaannya pose key dan tanpa pose key seperti rigmu. So what do you mean is shape key? I'm guessing you're referring to some rig using shape key for like the sharp bend, while other rigs like mine doesn't have shape key, instead using lattice. So for this one, I need to open the Thomas rig because that is the one of the rig that I know that use shape key. I wonder if I still have it here. Should be on my collection. 2034. Okay, it's compiling engine. There you go. Right, for something like Thomas rig here, this one uses the shape key. Yeah, it uses shape key for the bend here. Like so. Oh, it's because of this. Need to disable this. But yeah, as you can see, there's the need to disable this as well. There's the main 90-degree bend shape key and the 120 bend shape key. I don't know why it's look like this. But yeah. So the problem with this setup is that because the shape key is on the mesh itself, if you do some modification, like let's say you add extrusion on the center here where the bend is, like extrude face along normals. Oh, I need to do this here. Yeah, let's say that I add that and then I bend. As you can see, it bends weird because the additional mesh here messed up the shape key here, as you can see here. So yeah, that's the problem with using shape key directly on the mesh. Now I mitigate this problem by, instead of using shape key on the mesh directly, I use lattice. So in internal rig here, if I enable to disable me and go to the former, and then find the arm bend, as you can see, it uses a lattice. This is where all the shape keys start. So here's the 90-degree and 120-degree. So when I bend this, so the armature will deform the lattice, and then the lattice will deform the mesh here. So you don't have to deal with the problem with the shape key breaking when you add like extrusion. And also it guarantees the extrusion will properly follow the lattice. Like if I add an extrusion here, and then let's disable the simplify. As you can see, it does properly follow. Maybe I need to make it offset even. But yeah, as you can see, it properly follows the shape of the lattice here. As you can see the line here, it perfectly follows. But yeah, that's like the difference here. Okay, back to this. Subdivided bonds together like bone chain. Changes pivot to origin and rotate direction. Kalau banyak separate layer gimana kalau mau join extrude-nya? Banyak separate layer. You mean like you have different layer and then you want to join it? Let me make a demo here. So let's say that you have like section like so. So let's say that you have multiple of these like separate objects here that like part of the extrusion or something like that, and then you want to join it with the main mesh. Well, you can do that by just selecting this, selecting the main mesh, and click join. And there you go. Now it becomes one here. It's still separated, as you can see here, but now it's part of the same object. Okay, let's back to Cavity here. I found this method of controlling the rig like bendy bone, but it's very impractical. Subdivided bones together like bone chain, change pivot to individual origin and rotate to any direction. Okay, let's give that a test. Armature. So I subdivide this a bunch of time like so. And then change pivot point to individual origin. And then rotate to any direction. Ah, I get what you mean here. So with this one, it rotates not just like one bone, but every single bone. Okay, that's interesting. But yeah, I know this. I like to do this sometime when like posing. But yeah, this is quite cool, but yeah, it's quite difficult to control. But it's not the same as bendy bone. With bendy bone, there is like a head and a tail, and it's like makes sense where it moves. But with this one, it just like follow the route for the rotation. So it's not the same as bendy bone, but I kind of get what you mean. It just can like bend like bendy bone, but it's more like FK here. I forgot to say dinner time. just eat mac and cheese. Delicious. Terkadang meshnya hilang. Kayak tiga separate layer yang berbeda ketika di join mesh utama teksturnya hilang. Oh, I see. I also have that problem sometimes. I think it's because you use like different textures on a different materials, and when you join them together, it's sometimes conflicted. It's a bit difficult here for me to show because I don't have anything to show here. So if you have that problem again, you can ask it on my Discord and maybe even send the project file. That way I can like investigate the cause and then find a way to fix it. Someone do this on my own animating. They use it for tails. Yeah. I mean, I could also do the same using constraints as well, like adding a copy rotation on each bone. So this one, so like so, copy rotation, and then if I rotate just this one bone, the rest will follow. Oh wait, is it because it's on world space? Let's see. Yeah, there we go. The same as this one here, using constraint copy rotation. This is why I just need to control one bone, but the rest follows. And I see this a lot in tail rig. Yeah. In fact, the tail rig that I made also have this setup, but it has its own control for doing this. But yeah. I'm back again. Hey there. Just found it on Pinterest. I don't know why they use that method to animate tails. I don't know, maybe because it's easier to do like the bending instead of like manually rotating each of the like bones. You could just do it on all to do this. But they could also make a more sophisticated rig, but I don't know, maybe just limitation of the rig and they just use whatever available. My method is to add another bone next to this bone and make a copy rotation to this bone. Yeah. So what I do is that there's an additional controller for like the bend, and then it has like copy rotation. So when I rotate that control, the rest will follow the rotation, and there's like this chain reaction, causing it to bend like so. I think this universal bone control to animate. I'm not sure if Maya has constraints. Maya does have constraints. I guess they just use individual bone controls, so have, well, more controls. Well, I don't know. Anyway, still have a bit of time. Let's play some game. Let's close Blender. I'm currently playing Control here. I just finished the Foundation DLC. So currently I'm playing the what is it? The one with Alan Wake. Alright, where's my controller? Ouch. But I would rather use Bendy Bone. Maya doesn't have that. Yeah, Maya doesn't have Bendy Bone. Though Maya does have a better spline rig. Like Ake's spline rig. So that's that. But it's from what I see on YouTube, on the tutorials that are available, they're quite not that difficult, I think, but just require some setup. So yeah, you do need some rigging knowledge for that. I guess people just want to make a simple rig. Tima is new to standard software animation. No wonder you see many advanced rig there. Yeah. There's so many advanced rig. I really want to learn Maya, but I don't know, the user interface still intimidates me. Should I learn Maya for rigging though? I think like the foundation should be the same, but there are like Maya specific feature that you need to learn by yourself. And also there's a bunch of different rigging system. There's like the Maya default system, but there's also other system that other people create. Like the one that I know, I think it's called MRig or something. Let me see here. Explore. MRig. Is it MRig? No, it's not MRig. It's something else. Maya rig system. Forgot what it's called. Maybe I should call it rigger. I forgot what it's called here. Oh wait, I do know another one, but I need to find it here. Is it Maya Mansur rig? There you go. Yeah, there's this rig system here.
I'm involved with want to see next.
Showcase.
The mesh is temporarily skinned.
But yeah, it's kind of like the Rigify or Auto Rigger for Blender, but much more like complicated. I mean, you can see the demo here. Oh yeah, it's really cool. Anyway, let's go back to the game. Just gonna play this for a bit. But the software is so expensive. Well, not anymore. You can get the indie license, but yeah, it is still quite expensive. But you can do the the other way around for getting Maya for free. Or you could just get the educational lessons. There are many ways of rigging Maya. It's very advanced than Blender rigging system. Yeah. Okay, let's pause the music here and then let's open the game here. It's full wind, so I should be able to view it on OBS here. And then you have to pay monthly. Oh yeah, because you don't have a perpetual license. Even indie, I think, is still a subscription. It is cheaper than buying like the full price, but still. All right. Where is it? Game max win. Control. There you go. All right. I hope you can hear the audio here. Just gonna play this for a bit. Which is annoying because we're in an era you can own everything even you buy it. Is indie feature has limited features? No, I think indie is full feature, just like the regular Maya. It's just that if you want to get the indie license, you need to have like there's like a requirement for you to get the indie license. So with the regular price, you could just get it any way you want. But for indie, you need to have like a specific requirement. It's kind of like Unreal Engine. It's free as long as your project doesn't make like this amount of money, and if it exceeds, you need to pay the royalty, something like that. But yeah, it's kind of like that.
Do we know each other? This feels familiar. I can't seem to... I've forgotten it. I'm sorry. My name is Alan Wake.
Whoa. The audio is peaking quite hard here. I better reduce it, but after the cutscene here.
Who are you? Who are you? Do I know you?
I'm your friend Tom. Tom Zane. There's nothing to worry about.
Tom. The poet. The diver. You look different.
That was just a role. A character. The protagonist I played in my old film. I'm a filmmaker. An auteur like yourself. We're working on this together, remember? An artistic collaboration. You need a drink.
I cannot check chat here. While cutscene's playing.
Endless darkness. Nothing holds still.
But we're very close now. You've been riding. I found a way to escape. It'll work this time.
Riding?
You found a way!
No. I don't. Wait. There's something. It's my double. He's out there. I've seen him.
Yeah. Nothing to worry about. I'm dealing with him. It's fine, my friend. Let me handle him.
You've met him? What the hell?
Now, come on. You misunderstand me.
Oh. Yeah. Okay.
That was the Alan Wake?
Okay, I need to think about using Blender Collab for rendering. Blender Collab for rendering? I've heard of that. Okay, I need to reduce the audio here. All right.
The famous writer? He disappeared years ago. It was all over the news back then. And Thomas Zane was with him. The poet. No, wait. He was a filmmaker. I always remember that wrong.
Oh, it's already open. Google Colab, not Blender. Oh, right. Oh yeah, I know that technique. Though from what I know, it's not the best for like rendering. Like if you have like a big project, like an actual project to render there. You could try ship it, but the result is hit or miss because it was rendered by a bunch of people on different computers. So yeah.
Dr. Emil Hartman, devoured by hungry darkness, became the thing that had been Hartman. Broke loose, killed everyone it could, lurking, roaming, waiting. Then something else came, a resonance. The thing that had been Hartman went through another change.
Oh, I cannot go here. Over there? Okay, cannot go there. I'm guessing not here as well. No, I need to go lower. Alright. What's over here? Oh. Not good. Wait. Oh, I thought it was just... I thought it was just a texture or something. But it's an actual 3D model. But you're only rendering for a win, which I think is fine. My PC can render fast enough. Yeah, I think for like a render is good. And same with ship it. If you like not doing animation, I think the rendering should be quite good as well.
damp and abandoned. Why did Wake want me to come here?
Oh, what the hell? That's weird. What is this? Crap. Don't need that. Unless if the mods are like tier 5, and I'm not gonna pick it. I mean, like, I have a bunch of like tier 4 here. I really want the tier 5.
That doesn't look like a house shift.
Oh.
I even want to know.
It's geometry node. Just creating a bunch of duplicates instance. It's crazy how my brain is just like, oh, this effect, this must be geometry nodes, or using like an array modifier or something like that. Like it suddenly clicks. I use too much Blender, man. Oh yeah, I got all the abilities here. I actually use cheat engine for this because I don't know, I just tired of collecting all of the necessary resources. So yeah, and also it's kind of like my playstyle. I don't really want to be like a purist. I just want to have fun. So I'm fine with using cheat engine. I don't like ship it. Not wanting to share my project to someone's PLC lol. The project is not like available for other people, but they are like rendered on other people. The renderer doesn't get to like open the file and see the project file. They just do the rendering. But yeah, the main problem for me is just sometimes the result could be hit or miss. Sometimes you have like rendering issue, and yeah. Oh.
Of course, the hiss are already in here.
Kayak kita di Alan Wake. Nah, this is Control. But it is part of the same universe from Alan Wake. And also I'm currently playing the Alan Wake DLC. So yeah. You get Blender disease. Yeah. So it's like brain rot. Oh no. It's like brain rot. But it's Blender rot. Everything I see is a 3D object in Blender. Okay, where should I go here? Oh wow, it's quite big. Let me just check around here.
Whoa. Looks like the house has gotten a little wild in here.
Apartment arrest. Wake, Allen, Anderson, Thor, Odin. Oh, this is victim names. Lane, Rudolph, Pistolet. Kidnapping altered individual, sanction offender's property seized as evidence, being cleared by Bureau. Oh. So that's what happened to him. Sheer kills, reload efficiency. Okay, cannot go past here. Nothing here. Okay, secret. What do you got? Not good. Okay, I think that's it here. Too much 3D. It would be nice if you get hired by AAA game company to model assets for them. Yeah, it's kind of like my dream here to work on like an actual studio. So I could not just work on something that I like and used to, but also get paid for it.
This darkness is blocking the door. So now I have to deal with an interdimensional noise and sentient shadows.
Oh, interesting. So since there is no flashlight, I need to use like an actual light object.
Light burns it away, huh? Makes sense.
Because in Alan Wake, you have flashlight object to burn darkness, but here you need to like bring light object here. Okay, that's cool use of the game feature. Okay, it's up there. It's very difficult to get hired by them. You need to show your best work to them, and also you need to have like the work that actually matter for them. Because like for me, working on Minecraft projects, they won't be interested. But if I work on like an actual game project, then yeah, even that you still have lower chance of getting hired. Yeah, especially now with everything is getting replaced with AI, it's gonna get harder. Also, I'm gonna pausing a lot because I cannot check the chat here because the chat here is taken by the OBS, and well, I could check on OBS, but the view is too small. Oh, yeah, I forgot I cannot go there right now. There are a bunch of other stuff I can do here, but most of them like just a side mission stuff, and I don't really like working on them. Just want to go with the like main story stuff. Game is very laggy at some places. Yeah, but it's quite smooth here. It's probably just the OBS struggling to like capture it, because I'm streaming on both sides, YouTube and Twitch, and also I'm playing game at the same time. So yeah, the resources are like fighting each other. But the game is quite smooth here. And I'm playing. I think it's just the OBS recording that are slow. Oh wow.
The third thing. The sound made darker, the darkness made louder. Hartman was stretched, like a worm through time. The third thing was a monster. Now we crashed out of darkness toward fate.
Okay, I need to increase the audio here a bit. There we go. So you can better hear the game, hopefully. What's this? The Gaussian complaint. Your OBS doesn't capture well. You have a better GPU, you shouldn't have this problem. Yeah, but it's fighting with my game using it, and then OBS also using it. Because OBS is also using the GPU for like recording and streaming. So yeah, there's a lot of load here.
Agent Fisher, day 6 inside the motel. Utilized surveillance methods are as follows. Fiber optic cameras lit into the individual room.
Okay, where should I go? market. Developer special trade of occult talisman relics. Okay, just some additional lore. NASA cooperation review. It's so dark here. Oh, there we go. What's this? Figures dodge efficiently. Nah. Cannot go there. What's this? Ah, it's just IT, the side missions.
Get rid of it.
Where should I go here? I need to burn away this. Ah, there you go. That's the power source that I need. Equal limited summary. The shadow. Rangeability. Aggressive consisting type with 3 types. Sentient. Okay, could read them later.
My understanding of the darkness is fragmented, incomplete. This void, it very much does not wish to be understood. If light symbolizes knowledge, then it stands to reason.
Oh shit, there's so many of them. Like this. Ah. A lot of energy. Shit. Okay. Where? Okay, I think that's all. Still not like mastering the combat here. It just do whatever. Also, I better change this to Pierce. At this point, my GPU is not enough just to get 2 of them. I'm using laptop, remember? Cannot use 2 GPU.
I don't feel right. Something in this darkness is draining me.
Okay, I need power source there. Can't find anything. Oh. Maybe I could use that, perhaps? Like, reuse the one I have here? Oh, no, it's a real lock. Okay.
Hungry darkness.
Come on, elevator, time to go. So you don't like the light? I can use that.
Okay, where else? Over there. Okay, I need the power source over there as well. Hold on. Is that? Oh, it's just a chest. Game is very lagging, it's annoying me. Doesn't seem that bad here, at least on OBS. As long as the audio is still good enough, then not really much of a problem. Okay, where is it?
Yeah, how do you like that?
Door? Executioner, which one will be like, how about Alice Wake? Former wife missing outer. Interesting. More lore
Brian Hennerman, 21 years
on
old.
Alan Wake. Now let's just not mingle around too long. Yeah, seems quite fine here.
What are you doing in investigations?
Jesus, don't scare me like that, Langston.
If you're talking right now, I can't hear you. It's a one-way system. Try to find an intercom.
Langston, it's me, Jesse.
I know. I can see you on the monitors. The cameras in there haven't worked since we sealed that sector off a couple years back.
Let me guess. You sealed it because of the monster guy.
Wait, did you see Dr. Hartman? Jesus, I really wish you hadn't opened that fire break. Okay, listen, you need to find Hartman and kill him before he gets out into the Bureau.
That thing is a person?
He was a person. We brought him here to study after he was, altered in an AWE. I forget the medical word for what happened, but now light physically hurts him. Do you have a flashlight?
No.
A lantern? Headlamp? Oh yeah, flare gun. Oh, Christmas lights. You could wrap them around your...
I don't have any of those, Langston.
Shit. Okay, well, I'm sure you'll think of something. I'll keep an eye on you from the panopticon. This is kind of exciting, right?
Maybe from where you're standing.
Right, okay. Well, break a leg. Oh, why did I say that?
Okay. This Hartman thing can't have gotten very far. Let's go flush him out. Langston was right. This is kind of
It's just
exciting.
nice to have someone to talk to, you know? Ever since I got put in charge of the Panopticon, people treat me different, like I'm crazy for wanting to work with altered items. People just don't understand the altered items like I do, you know? I don't want to brag, but it does take a very empathetic mind to connect with the items.
Doesn't
Still,
want to
I don't know why
brag.
people are making it so personal.
Right.
I mean, the teams in research handle paranatural materials.
Whatever.
every
Just
day.
leave him.
No one thinks they're weird.
Yes, yapping.
Maybe that's not.
Okay, that guy is actually quite interesting. There's a TwitchCon event in Europe and I want to attend, but it's so expensive to go to other countries. Yeah, I really want to go to those like con, but most of them like happen outside of Indonesia and I don't know. Maybe someday, yeah, cool. Hey, Sunset Moonrise Eclipse. Interesting name. Hello there. Welcome to the stream. Currently just playing Control. Okay, find Hartman in Eagle, find Hartman in FRA Mauro IW era. Okay, should go here then. Eagle Limited. And then FRA Mauro is over there. Let's just go here first. Just want to get a new cape. Just call me Eclipse, makes it easy to say. Alrighty. Hello there, Eclipse. Alright. It's down here.
There's our director. Now, getting back to the matter at hand. Still, I don't know why people are making it so personal.
Skip yapping.
The teams in research handle paranatural materials every day, and no one thinks they're weird. Well, maybe that's not true. Darling is famous for being a bit out there, but when he's weird, it's charming. Altered items really aren't that frightening once you get to know them.
You know what? Whatever. I'm just gonna listen to this guy a bit.
Don't like, you know, what sets them off, then there's nothing to worry about. I guess at the end of the day, we're still just wild animals scared of our own shadows. We're supposed to be on the same team, but sometimes it feels like it's every department for themselves, like it's a race and we're all trying to be number one. If it is a race, though, I'd say Darling is a mile ahead of everyone else. He was Trench's golden boy for years, but that relationship has gotten pretty tense, or so I've heard through the grapevine. Not that I spread rumors, just, you know, people talk. Not me, though. I keep my nose to the grind.
But you saying it.
Work to do to focus on those kinds of things. I need to stay focused so I can get my work done and get home to feed Alfred.
He's
Of
just
course,
gonna talk forever,
can't always
isn't
make
he?
it home.
Yeah. You know what? Let's just leave him be. It's not gonna stop.
Very nice. Her name is Maria. She's older. She came to New York in the 50s.
Very normalized and also popular. There's black markets for account selling. It's very interesting. Huh? It's so random. Just suddenly talk about account selling. Hold on. Here's itchy. Ugh. All right.
To attend school and has been here ever since. She had a couple of kids. I met them at Thanksgiving. Big family. Very nice people. Anyway, she had to see my car. To buy her a nice arrangement.
Ah, jeez. I need help. Ah, damn it. I need to learn how your Minecraft Steve work and learn animating in Blender. You mean the rig? Yeah. If you have any question, you can just ask me here or just ask me on the Discord server. Or not just me, you could just put it on the help channel and I'm sure other people could help you. I'm talking about it because if you get some rare items, people are gonna try and hack your account and sell it. Ah, yeah. Especially some rare capes as well. You're talking about Minecraft capes, right? Yeah. Not just rare capes, also come with rare names. Like, you know, I think I watched it from a video, like those names with like only 3 letters or something like that. Those are quite rare because nowadays you cannot do that again. Yeah, those accounts get stolen and then got sold. It's normal in Minecraft community, they're insane. And there's also sometimes people buy accounts so they could like use it for hacking. And they're not like being discreet about it because the accounts are more like something they could banned. Like it's like a consumable. You could just, if they get banned, you can buy another one, just continue hacking or whatever. Maybe you don't know much about them. Well, I haven't dealt with any of them. I only mostly know from YouTube videos, so yeah. I need to get close here. Ah. It's difficult and annoying when the enemies are flying. Oh, what the hell? There's more? Ah, yeah, there's more. I hate flying enemies. Oh, I got it. Yo. Where's the other one? Please don't be flying anywhere again. Okay, good. Ah, yikes. No, don't die. Oh. Right. Deal with him. Where is he? Oh, I think he's died. Okay, I think there's one more here. Somewhere. Ah, there you go. Alright. That should be it. I hate flying enemies. They're difficult to hit because they keep dodging a lot. Yeah, the most insane thing, you have normal one and criminal one. You can have so many types of people exist in community, it's just insane. You can have many type of people like that and just Minecraft, I don't know why. Yeah. There's always that part of community that's like not good. Okay, not here. Oh, wow, it's pitch black. Oh, great. Oh, that's Hartman. Yeah, that's Hartman. Alright, how the hell am I gonna get that? Oh, here. Nope, it's locked. Okay, I need lights. Ah, there you go. Oh, where is it? Oh, it got stuck. Oh, I'll just throw it first. Is it me or is Roblox is dying? The only happy one praying for the downfall. Because I'm feeling good about it. I don't know I don't think Roblox is dying, but it does like have a bad reputation nowadays. And also right now there's Hytale that is like slowly getting better and better. Like have you seen there's a post I saw on Twitter. It was reposted by Simon on like a really cool like what is it? Like an MMO boss like fight here. It's from a server. Let me see if I can find it. There you go. Copy link. Let's see if I can open it with Firefox. All right, here we go. So it's this one here. Really cool.
Jump. Oh, fudge. Jump right after he teleports. Kill the spores. Alright, he's done. He's still gonna go though. Oh.
So yeah, it's really cool. If you like play MMOs like World of Warcraft, something like that. So yeah, really cool. And also compared to something like Roblox, where the art style and like the models and whatever could be like ranging very wildly. Like some games could have like incredible graphics, but other games are look like some kid just made it in like a few minutes. So yeah, I think Hytale could be like the future for games like Roblox, where you have like many server and many games that people could play together. But yeah. Well, have a good stream. I'm gonna do some dumb stuff in Blender and see how it works. Alrighty. I'm probably gonna play a bit more here because it's already 9. So I don't know, just play a bit until the next save point. Then I'm gonna end the stream. Now it's just losing more players. They don't have more players like it used to be anymore. You just can't chat people anymore. Everything is silent, no existence. Hey there, Quentin, come to the stream. You're a legend. Thanks for the rig. No problem. Unfortunately, I think he joined it right at the end of the stream here. Just gonna play a bit more and then gonna end the stream. That looks like a battle simulator game, lol. I think that one is an MMO RPG server. So it's like you're playing multiplayer with other people and like going raids on dungeons and something like that. Oh yeah, just a really cool boss system there. They're really cooking there. Okay, here's one. I got find another like a save point and then gonna end the stream. Oh, there's a terminal. Not good.
This is Director Faden. I require backup at this location.
Nice to see a director out in the field.
Yeah. Yeah, it's gotta be a boss fight here. Or not boss fight, more like a skirmish. Oh, almost there. There you go, you're my minion now. More over there. Oh no! No, he's dead. More? Oh, up there. Oh, it's one of those flying ones as well. Where is he? Over there. There we go. Well, shit. Ranger dead. Okay, where should I go? Over there. Nope. Not here. Okay, I came from here, yeah? Yeah, I came from here. So the exit should be like somewhere around here. Is it up here? No. Maybe you should go up. Yeah, I think. All right. What is this? Brain missing.
All right, Ati. Was this what you had in mind?
Okay. Should be one more here. I have no idea where am I. It's so dark. Can't see anything. There's a chest, but I don't think there will be anything useful. Whoa.
Shit.
Oh, not that way. Okay, let's see.
Christ. Did the Hartman thing do all this?
Okay, I need more power. What's this? Nothing useful. Okay, I should go with this one first. Oh, no. Oh, which one does this go? Okay, I need to power that one as well. There we go. Now this should open. And then I'll just plug it here for now. Okay, I need 4 for that. One should go. Wow, it's right back here. Alright. For here. Then the other one is. It's over there. Okay, and then the other is wait, is it this one? Yeah, it's this one. Okay, did I do it right? I was right. But I need another one. Over there. Okay, hold on. I'm a bit confused here. Okay, this one goes all the way there. Okay. And then that one goes... wait a minute. No, that's yellow. Oh wait, it's color-coded. That makes things much easier now. I need to find orange. So that's orange, that's orange. Another orange is that one. So take this. There. There you go. We got another power source. Alright, what is this? Yellow, yellow. I need yellow. Yellow goes one over there. And then the other goes over there. There's a chest, but I don't care about that. Not that one. I'll take this one. And put it here. There you go.
Reminder, the law of three also applies to all faucets within the oldest house. Be mindful and don't cause any aquatic misconduct. Thank you for your attention.
What, you need to open and close faucet 3 times? Oh wow. Looks fun though. Feels like a Minecraft dungeon. Hytale will be like it soon. Yeah. Ah, there you go. Alrighty. This is where I left off for ooh, what is this? Search. Interesting. Hold on. I gotta try this. New weapon, huh? Alright. Search. What is this? What the fuck does this do? It's like a bomb thing? Oh! Ah, interesting. Oh, I can put multiple. Okay, that's interesting. I don't think it will be something that is good for my playstyle, but that's interesting. Could play around with this. Like when fighting, I would put some bombs and then boom. Alright, that's interesting. You know what? I'm just gonna keep it for now. That's like my main weapon. Blast radius. Yeah. But anyway, I'm gonna end this stream here for today. Right. Anything else on chat? No. Nothing else. Alright. Guess there's nothing else. I'm gonna end it for today, and I'll see you again next week on the usual schedule. Anyway, bye. Oh, I better play the background music here. Alrighty, bye.